been heavily relying on my crock pot this week as, I don't know, an emotional support crock pot. So today we're gonna make some chicken and dumplings because that's what my husband is insisting on. Y'all know that I'm crazy about my new Drew Barrymore crock pot, so she's added again today. I don't know about y'all, but celery is gross to me. So I'm never gonna randomly have a cream of celery laying around. So cream of chicken will have to do. Am I the only one that really hates celery? Like what? Crunchy, weird tasting water. I don't know. Can't do it. Just don't like it. So like 2 cups of this chicken broth. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna want more, but I'll start with like half of it and we'll go from there. All right, y'all. So now we're just gonna mix it up and crock pot it for probably about 6 hours and then come back for the veggies and dough.